guys, I hope everybody's doing really well. Happy 2-Minute Tuesday. I just thought I would bring a beverage of choice up in the little XR Dual Sport. See some sights. Lots of videos planned for this year, so I will see you guys in the videos. Right on. Beautiful river. Check. I'm not dunking my head yet though, she's a little chilly. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed some of those clips. I sure enjoy making them. It's a lot of fun riding the old XR there. We're perched on the side of the mountain here. Big ravine. There's a beautiful river down in the middle. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely hit the red button just like this. Here's a quick funny statistic. 75% of the viewers on my YouTube channel aren't even subscribed. If every single one of them subscribed to my channel, it would actually really be doing really well. It's already doing really good, and I appreciate everybody that subscribes. But if 75% of my viewers hit that little red button, which is free, it would really make my channel, I would more than double my subscribers, and I think I'm at, I'm not even sure, 24,000 I think or something. But anyways, I appreciate all you guys. I got lots of lesson videos, and I got lots planned for this summer. So I got a new bike I've been kind of restoring. I'll unveil that here pretty soon. So hit the red button, drop some comments, let me know what you guys are being up to, and I will see you on the very next video. Brrrr.